It is time for another hotel check-in. Where are we at today? We are at the Hampton Inn in St. Louis, downtown. And this is an awesome room because I want to show you beyond that window what my view looks like. So upon entering, you have just a basic hallway. The light up here, and then I think this is an ensuite over here. Got a nice big mirror. Okay. And you have, I believe, what is this? Oh, okay, maybe there's a drawer here. Yeah, drawers right here. That's a nice size fridge. Good. And then there's coffee down here that you can pull out. And this thing swivels. Oh no, it doesn't. What's here? More space here. And there's a Bible. And there's a large TV. Okay. The beauty thing about this is you have working space here. And then you have power there and a USB. Oh, more access to power and USB here and more power here. So this is a great desk to have if you're coming here for business. Let's see how comfortable a chair is. That looks like a good working chair too. Oh yeah, that's comfortable. It's a good office chair. Okay, so now let's walk over to the bathroom. So the bathroom, what do we have at the bathroom? We have the body lotion. Normally it's supposed to go up here somewhere, but we just have it down here. You get 1 bar soap. Hand towels are here, face towels, and the big towels. And down here you got a blow dryer, extra toilet paper, and you got a tub. Great. Here you have those bottle shampoo, conditioner, shower gels. Alright, it's a decent size for a bathroom. Yeah, nothing too special about it. It's good lighting. Okay, let's try the bed. Wow, it's soft. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Okay, I always sleep good at Hilton's. Nice soft pillows. And here, there's like a little table, power, and USB. And then the light switches are here. Okay, now let's go to the view. Oh, before we do that, let's stop over here. Okay, you got the same thing here. You can put a little table. And then the lamp has power. And then USB. Let's see how this one feels. Oh, that's comfortable. You can lounge here. You got a little table if you want to go have a snack or eat. Right there. And watch TV. It's a little bit further away. The angle is kind of awkward, so you might have to turn that TV. Alright, but now, this is what I want to see. The view. I get to have the arc view in my hotel room. How cool is that?